The exclamation point has run its course. Notice my lack of surprise, shock, or excitement. There was once a time long before computers were commonplace where the exclamation point was reserved for things that were truly extraordinary. Moments filled with conviction or joy or fear. I mean, other than the colorful onomatopoeias in a comic book or the I love you notes that your mom wrote you, the exclamation point pretty much didn't have a place in our written language. Then the internet came. Although message boards typically start out as altruistic sanctuaries where users find support, most quickly erupt into keyboard crusaders making it their quest to accent every sharp comment with a flurry of exclamation points. If you just review the transcripts, it seems like there's not a single argument anywhere online where both sides aren't backing their claims with full conviction. That self-righteous battle against all challengers requires passion. It seemingly requires a punctuation mark that perfectly complements an all-cap hate message. The sometimes threatening but often overenthusiastic exclamation point. But it would be wrong for me to blame the overuse of the exclamation point specifically on the information superhighway. Texting had a big part to do with it too. Although communication with one another has become almost instantaneous with these technological advances, it seems like the feeling behind the words in these messages kind of gets lost. What is a young woman supposed to do when her friend finally kisses her crush? Just say, "That's exciting"? No, there's got to be a way that she could illustrate the excitement that she feels. That's where the exclamation point comes in. That's so exciting! I mean, just adding that one little mark completely changes the feeling and the life behind the phrase. Unfortunately, "that's so exciting" becomes "that's so exciting," which then became "that's so exciting!" Sorry for your ears on that. Multiplying her exclamation points does not prove her excitement, but it does create the need for more exclamation points when something more exciting happens. If she thought that was exciting, how does she respond when her best friend gets married? 12 exclamation points? Maybe the addition of a little winking face and poorly drawn hands clapping? Exclamation points are a powerful tool in writing, but not if you use it all the time or if you put them at the end of menial sentences. And here's the thing. I'm a millennial. I use exclamation points way more than I should. I'm aware of it, but I also can't help it. Like, sometimes I'll write a short message to a friend or a coworker, and if I just put a period at the end, it kind of seems curt or rude. So I put an exclamation point as just kind of a little nudge to say, yeah, I didn't mean this to be rude. I'm in a good mood, and this is a happy message. Does it read that way? I don't really know, but to me, I notice it when people send me exclamation points. Why are there all these exclamation points? Yet, I still send them to other people. So, I'm making this video as much for me as I am for you. I need to make the change, remove a lot of exclamation points from my writing, and reserve them for things that are truly remarkable. And I hope you can do the same. And together, maybe we can put feeling back into the poor exclamation point.